This, yeah, yeah.
Here, I want to get a close up of it too. U.S. Elevator Corp. It's coming down.
That's so cool. I've never seen that before. Look at my cab view. That pit is actually pretty big. Pretty deep. Whoa. Oh, it's got the bumper.
Holding the door open.
Oh, wow. Check this thing out. Oh, this thing is old, dude.
Whoa. It's got in.
What is this? It's just a... What the hell? Oh, that doesn't even do anything.
It must have just been a blank.
There's not even a light or a fan switch.
We're only gonna ride this one once, though, I think.
Yeah. This thing is old.
Yeah, square US, no brails too, so it's gotta be 70s. Does this work? No, it does not.
It doesn't.
That was why it closed on you. Okay.
I've never seen it with the button on there before, with the logo on the button before.
Yeah, that's cool.
This thing is actually pretty cool.
And which car?
Glad we stopped
this
in
one?
here.
We had 965 previously, and this one's 9 something. 5. Obviously.
All right, that's it.